Imagine this. You're walking through your backyard, sipping your morning tea, completely unaware that right under your feet are plants that could heal wounds, soothe pain, and even boost your immune system. Yes, your backyard is secretly a natural pharmacy, a place where some of the most powerful medicinal plants are hiding in plain sight. And today, we're uncovering 20 of them that could change the way you think about health forever. Welcome to Natural Pharmacy. In this video, we'll explore 20 common backyard plants with powerful medicinal properties. Plants that have been used for centuries to treat everything from inflammation to digestive issues, skin problems, and even stress relief. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because I'll reveal one of the most underrated backyard plants that can help heal infections fast. A plant that most people overlook completely. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on nature's best remedies. Aloe vera. The natural healer. Ever had a sunburn that just wouldn't stop stinging? Aloe vera to the rescue. Soothes burns, hydrates skin, heals wounds, and aids digestion. Apply fresh aloe gel on burns, or mix it with water for a refreshing detox drink. Dandelion. The liver detoxifier. Most people see dandelions as weeds. But did you know they're actually a liver-boosting superfood? Supports liver health, aids digestion, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Brew dandelion root tea or toss the leaves into a salad. Basil, the stress reliever. Feeling stressed? A simple herb might be your solution. Reduces stress, boosts immunity, and improves digestion. Chew a few leaves daily or make a soothing basil tea. Peppermint, the digestive soother. Struggling with bloating or an upset stomach? Peppermint has got you covered. Relieves indigestion, headaches, and sinus congestion. Drink peppermint tea or inhale the steam for sinus relief. Lavender, the sleep aid. Can't sleep? This fragrant plant might be the answer. Reduces anxiety, improves sleep, and soothes skin irritations. Place lavender under your pillow or use its oil for relaxation. Chamomile, the calming flower, promotes relaxation, eases menstrual pain, and improves digestion. Brew chamomile tea before bedtime. Rosemary, the memory booster, improves focus, supports digestion, and relieves muscle pain. Add fresh rosemary to meals or inhale its scent for a mental boost. Ginger, the inflammation fighter, reduces inflammation, soothes nausea, and strengthens immunity. Add fresh ginger to tea or soups. Garlic, the heart protector, lowers blood pressure, boosts immunity, and fights infections. Eat raw garlic or add it to meals. Turmeric, the golden healer, reduces joint pain, fights inflammation, and boosts brain health. Mix turmeric with warm milk for a golden healing drink. Thyme, the respiratory booster. Struggling with a stubborn cough? This tiny herb packs a powerful punch. Helps with respiratory infections, sore throats, and digestion. Make thyme tea for cough relief or inhale thyme steam for congestion. Lemon balm, the mood enhancer. Feeling stressed or anxious? This plant is nature's answer to calmness. Reduces anxiety, improves sleep, and supports digestion. Brew lemon balm tea or apply infused oil for relaxation. Echinacea, the immunity booster. Want to fight off colds and flu naturally? This flower has your back. Strengthens the immune system, fights infections, and speeds up recovery. Drink echinacea tea or take it as a tincture. Plantain, the skin healer. Got a bug bite or a cut? This common backyard plant is a lifesaver. Soothes insect bites, accelerates wound healing, and reduces inflammation. Crush fresh leaves and apply them directly to wounds or bites. Sage, the oral health protector. Ever wondered why sage is used in herbal toothpastes? Fights bacteria, improves memory, and soothes sore throats. Gargle sage tea for sore throat relief or chew fresh leaves for gum health. Fennel, the digestive soother. Feeling bloated after a meal? This aromatic plant can help. Aids digestion, reduces bloating, and supports eye health. Chew fennel seeds after meals or brew fennel tea. Yarrow, the natural first aid herb. Ancient warriors used this plant to stop bleeding. Yes, it's that powerful. Stops bleeding, reduces fever, and aids digestion. Apply crushed leaves to cuts or make a yarrow tea for fever relief. Morina, The nutrient powerhouse, if there was a multivitamin in plant form, it would be Moringa. Rich in antioxidants, boosts energy, and supports heart health. Add dried Moringa powder to smoothies or soups. Hibiscus, the blood pressure regulator. This beautiful flower isn't just for decoration. It's a heart health hero. Lowers blood pressure, improves skin health, and aids digestion. Make hibiscus tea for a refreshing, health-boosting drink. Go-to cola. The brain booster. Need better focus and memory? This plant has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. Enhances brain function, reduces stress, and supports circulation. Drink Go-to cola tea or take it as a supplement. And there you have it, 20 powerful medicinal plants that might be growing right outside your door. Which one are you most excited to try? Comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a natural remedy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy.